Picture this. You're cruising down the highway, just enjoying the open road, only to find out weeks later that there's a violation charge for a toll you somehow missed. Sounds familiar, right? Well, don't worry, you are definitely not alone here. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to pay a K-tag toll violation online. If you've recently received a K-tag toll violation in the mail, stay tuned, because in just a few minutes, you'll learn absolutely everything you need to handle it quickly, efficiently, and totally stress-free. Let's unravel this mystery together.
Here's our quick agenda for today's explainer. We're going to start by understanding what these violations actually are, look at some sneaky tech scams you need to avoid, walk step by step through the online payment process, troubleshoot some common issues, and finally show you how to avoid these headaches entirely in the future. Okay, Section 1. Understanding K-tag toll violations. So why are you suddenly getting a bill from the Kansas Turnpike Authority in the first place? Look, if you're sitting there staring at a massive, completely unexpected toll bill right now, your frustration is so valid. See, back in July of 2024, the Kansas Turnpike fully converted to a cashless tolling system. Literally, all the physical toll booths were completely decommissioned. This means you can't just pull over and hand a cashier some spare change anymore. If you aren't prepared with an account or you just drive straight through, the system automatically captures your plate and a bill is generated.
And just to show you how common this confusion is, one Reddit user recently posted they were hit with a, quote, $120 toll bill for driving maybe 15 miles. I mean, wow. But honestly, this happens all the time. People move, they drive a rental car, or they have a temporary address. If you don't have a toll transponder and that paper bill goes to the wrong address, or you simply just miss it in the junk mail, the late fees compound like wildfire. So the absolutely crucial thing to understand here is how the system identifies you. When you pass under an overhead gantry without a valid K-tag, cameras snap a photo of your license plate. This is known in the system as an image-based transaction, or IBT. The state then matches your plate to the vehicle registration database and mails a physical statement to the registered owner within about 2 weeks. But here is the kicker. A toll officially becomes a violation when that image-based bill remains unpaid past its 30-day grace period.
Moving on to Section 2. Beware of toll text scams. Before you rush off to pay anything online, we absolutely must talk about cybersecurity for a second. If you just received a text message on your phone telling you that you owe a toll fee and need to click a link immediately, pause right there. Do not click it. The FBI and the Federal Trade Commission have issued urgent warnings about a massive automated SMS phishing campaign that's sweeping the U.S. right now. It's known as smishing, and cybercriminals use it to prey on the anxiety of getting a toll violation. Now, the good news is these scams can easily be spotted if you know what to look for. Red flags up, everyone. Real toll authorities rarely, if ever, initiate first contact for a violation via an unexpected text message. If you click these scam links, they'll redirect you to cloned sites that look practically identical to the real DriveKS portal. They're phishing for your credit card data and sometimes even your driver's license number. So never click these links. Always navigate directly to the official website yourself. All right, Section 3, Steps to Pay Online. We know what a violation is, and we know how to dodge the scammers. Let's look at how to actually clear your balance safely. The official portal for the Kansas Turnpike is driveks.com. When you navigate to driveks.com/payyourbill, you're going to need to gather a little bit of information first, things like your invoice number, vehicle details, and your preferred payment method. Your exact payment path really depends entirely on one simple question. Do you have your physical or digital statement in front of you or not? Let's break down both scenarios. First up, Scenario A. If you have your statement handy, this is incredibly straightforward. Step 1, type the official URL into your browser. Step 2, look right at the front of your document and enter the account ID and statement ID directly into the portal. Step 3, click View Statement and Pay to verify your itemized balance and check out any administrative late fees that might have been tacked on. Finally, enter your payment info. They take major credit cards, debit cards, and electronic bank transfers, and hit Submit. Oh, and absolutely make sure you save or print that confirmation receipt for your personal records. Okay, but what if you don't have your statement? Maybe it was lost in the mail or it went to your old apartment. No worries. On that exact same webpage, just scroll down and select the I don't have a statement section. You'll need to enter your license plate number. Make sure you do it without any spaces, the state it was issued in, the plate type, like whether it's a standard or a specialty plate, and the zip code of the registered owner. Click View Balance and Pay, and the database will pull up your vehicle's record so you can process the payment securely right there. Section 4. Resolving common toll issues. So what happens if things don't go smoothly, or if you just decide to ignore the bill completely? Well, ignoring the problem is literally the worst thing you can do. Kansas law has some pretty strict escalatory consequences. It's kind of a snowball effect. You start with a standard image-based rate, but ignore that bill past 30 days and administrative late fees kick in. If it stays unresolved, it gets shipped off to third-party collections, and state can actually place a block on your vehicle registration. No way around it. You literally won't be able to renew your tags until you pay up. But wait, there is a silver lining here. If you log in and are just shocked by the massive late fees, do exactly what this Reddit user suggests. Call KTAG. Sometimes they're kind and reduce fees the very first time. Actually, official responses from the Kansas Turnpike Authority on Better Business Bureau complaints confirm this is true. They get it. They understand people don't usually intend to break the rules, and they frequently offer a one-time courtesy fee reduction if you just call their customer service team at 1-800-USE-KTAG and politely ask for help. Here are a few more crucial troubleshooting tips. If you just drove through a toll today, right, and you immediately search the database, you might see no results found. Don't panic. It takes up to 3 business days for trips to actually process. Also, if you're in a rental car, you should proactively add that rental's plate to your DriveKS account with a very specific end date, so you don't get hit with those crazy rental company surcharges. Lastly, if you see a legitimate error on your bill, you only have a 60-day legal window from the travel date to file a dispute. Keep that timeline in mind. Section 5. Avoiding future toll violations. This perfectly brings us to our final step. Prevention. And guys, here is the absolute most important number in this entire explainer, 50%. When you travel without a transponder, you're paying that image-based rate, which is exactly double the transponder rate. Yep, by setting up a proper KTAG account, you immediately save 50% on all your tolls across Kansas. Half off just for being prepared. To help you out, here is a quick prevention checklist so you never deal with this again. First, order a KTAG. The sticker itself is literally free. Second, always keep your credit card information unexpired in your DriveKS account. One of the most common issues is a card expiring, the account deactivating, and suddenly you are racking up violations without even realizing it. Third, remember that your KTAG is a great travel buddy. It works not just in Kansas, but in Oklahoma, Texas, and most of Florida and Colorado. Oh, and if you prefer not to link a bank account at all, you can look into BankPass, which lets you reload your toll balance with cash at local retail stores. Which brings us to Section 6, Conclusion and Important Disclaimer. Let's wrap this up. As promised, here is our quick legal reminder. This explainer video is for informational purposes only. Always refer to official Kansas Turnpike Authority communications or consult their official customer support for personalized assistance. They are the ultimate authoritative source for any specific issues regarding your account, login failures, or billing procedures. And that leaves us with one final question for you. Are you paying too much for your commute? We really hope this structured guide has relieved some of your anxiety about that surprise toll bill in the mail. Take control today, get that balance cleared on DriveKS, and order that free KTAG so you never pay double again. Has this guide helped you navigate the system? Let us know in the comments section below. And please, don't forget to subscribe and share this explainer with anyone else who might be dealing with a frustrating toll bill right now. Thanks so much for watching, and safe travels out there.